Imagine a fruit so powerful it was buried with ancient kings. A fruit so sacred it was mentioned in religious texts, used by healers, and praised by philosophers. Yet today, most people pass it by in the grocery store, unaware of its life-changing benefits. This isn't hype. This is real. This is the fig natural miracle with the power to heal your body, balance your mind, and restore your energy from the inside out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why adding figs to your life could be the simplest, most powerful health decision you've ever made. Figs have been around for thousands of years. They're one of the first plants ever cultivated by humans. Cleopatra, the Queen of Egypt, considered figs her favorite fruit. Greek physician Hippocrates used figs to treat stomach problems. In ancient Rome, they were given to soldiers for strength. And in traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, figs were used to treat inflammation, reproductive issues, and even mental fatigue. This fruit has stood the test of time for a reason. Bite into a fig and you're not just tasting sweetness. You're experiencing a nutrient powerhouse. Figs are rich in fiber, great for digestion and detox. They contain natural digestive enzymes that help break down food. Antioxidants like polyphenols fight cellular damage and aging. Calcium and potassium support your bones and heart. And they contain prebiotics that fuel your gut's healthy bacteria. It's a full-body treatment packed into one delicious bite. Gut issues, bloating, gas, constipation, or even leaky gut. Figs are your ally. Just 2 soaked figs in the morning can. Gently cleanse your digestive tract. Relieve constipation without harsh side effects. Feed the healthy bacteria your gut needs. Reduce inflammation and gas. Think of figs as a reset button for your gut. When your gut is balanced, your energy, mood, and even skin can improve. Here's a powerful morning ritual. Take 2 dried figs. Soak them overnight in a glass of water. In the morning, drink the water. Then eat the figs on an empty stomach. This simple habit flushes toxins, boosts metabolism, balances blood sugar, promotes glowing skin, improves digestion naturally. Do this for 7 days. You'll be amazed by how much lighter and more energized you feel. Figs are rich in natural compounds called phytoestrogens, plant-based estrogens that help balance hormones. For women, this means fewer PMS symptoms, reduced menstrual cramps, better mood balance, relief from hot flashes during menopause. Support for fertility. And for men, figs support reproductive health by improving blood circulation and vitality. This tiny fruit supports your hormones, gently and naturally. Your heart loves figs. Their potassium helps lower blood pressure. Their fiber helps reduce cholesterol. Antioxidants clean your arteries and reduce plaque buildup. And your skin? Figs fight oxidative stress, reducing premature aging and dullness. Some even use mashed figs as a natural face mask to brighten skin. On top of that, figs strengthen your immune system by nourishing your gut and reducing chronic inflammation. Figs are versatile. Here's how to include them in your daily life. Eat soaked figs in the morning. Add chopped figs to oatmeal or smoothies. Use fig paste in healthy desserts. Mix fig and honey as a natural face mask. Boil figs with water for a homemade cough remedy. They're not just a snack, they're a daily medicine in disguise. Modern studies show figs improve insulin sensitivity in diabetics. They reduce LDL, bad cholesterol. They help reduce body inflammation markers. They may even protect against certain cancers due to their antioxidant load. Science is proving what ancient wisdom has always known: figs are medicine. Here's your invitation. Start tomorrow. Soak 2 dried figs in water overnight. Drink the water and eat the figs first thing in the morning. Do this for 7 days. Watch how your digestion improves, how your skin brightens, how your energy rises, how your sugar cravings shrink. Try it. You have nothing to lose and a lot of health to gain. If this video inspired you, comment below, "I'm taking the fig challenge." And share this with a friend who needs to discover this ancient healing fruit. Figs aren't just food. They are a symbol of vitality, wisdom, and healing. Don't underestimate their power. Embrace the magic of figs and let nature do the rest. And hey, don't forget to come back and tell us how it changed your life.